Yo, another one from Mr. PAWNZ. Feel it, straight. You know it already. Mafiwo, mafiwo, mafiwo. Odobra, odobra, odobra. Yeni tentem. Odobra, odobra, odobra. Yeni tentem. My wacho. Oba himai. My wacho. Oba simai. My try wacho. Oba himai. My try wacho. Oba simai. Hey, odo yewe. Me see won kwana me do. Me ka chowa mo want to once yes. Me ndo obia kan ho. Fa odo na chichiri me see wana me nu neko. Oh, odo yewe. Me da me na. Odo hu kwa dwentwa na kumio. Oh, odo yewe. Ah, make wo sa. Odo yewe. Mafiwo, eya fremi o. Eya fremi. Odo yewe me da me see me no. Hu adwentwa na kumio. Brony, hey Charlie. Mafiodo. My friend na me say be kwana because me tell them catch odo. Oh ha, you know na me dwon ho. Hello babe. What's in kana? Yo, I'm still here. No, I love you so much, all right? I appreciate you. You are a clean woman. Alright? Still there. My train wacho. Oba himai. My train wacho. Oba simai. My try wacho. Oba himai. My try wacho. Oba simai. My train wacho. Oba himai. My train wacho. Oba simai. My try wacho. Oba himai. My try wacho. Oba simai. I can't live without you, baby. I can't sleep without you, lady. We are me number one, number two. In all you a clean woman, sweet lady. Love you so much.